Bar-Ilan University. It's a great pleasure to have you, especially our guests from abroad, coming to give us a perspective about the status of fuel cell from around the globe. I would like to thank the Prime Minister Office, and especially Dr. Anat Bernstein, that is now entering the hall, for giving the support to all the research in Israel dealing with the alternative to fuels. And especially this year that we have the great pleasure that one of our colleagues and the head of INREP, Professor Doron Orbach, won the Samson Prize and will receive it this evening from the hand of the Prime Minister. It's a great honor, it's a great pleasure, and we are all here to make it happen, and it will not happen without also the support of the Ministry of Energy, and Dr. Tzvi Tamari will say a few words about the action of his office today. I would like also to thank Professor Lior Elbaz that organized the first and second fuel cell workshop, and he will say a few words to explain you what is the Israel Fuel Cell Consortium. And I would like you to enjoy the 3 days that we have, 2 days here in Tel Aviv at the theater Habima, and on Wednesday we will be in Bar-Ilan for a full day of conferences and presentations that we'll enjoy for sure. So thank you for being here, and enjoy the conference.